Dear children, today we will discuss about divisibility rule of 11. This is very simple, but you should know the rule how to do this. First of all, let us see whether 2585 is divisible by 11. So for this, you have to bifurcate your number into odd and even places. 2585. And how can you separate your all the digits of the number into odd and even places? By writing odd, even, odd, even. So what can you do? First of all, you write the whole number, and then under the digits of the number you have to write odd, even, odd, even. O for odd and E for even. Now the second step is that you have to find the sum of the digits of odd places. Okay. So now let us find out the sum of the digits of the odd places. So let us see which are the digits which are in the odd places. 2 and 8. 2 and 8 are the digits which are placed in the odd places. So we have to add 2 plus 8 is equal to 10. Now you have to find the sum of the digits of even places. So what are the digits in the even places? 5 and 5. Now you have to find out the difference. You can easily see that difference of these numbers 10 minus 10 is 0. So always remember, whenever the difference will come 0 or multiple of 11, in that case your original number will be divisible by 11. In this case we can very well see that the difference is 0, so that means your original number will be divisible by 11. But if in case of 0, suppose the answer is 5, so 5 is not divisible by 11, that means 5 is not multiple of 11, so therefore the original number will not be divisible by 11. But the important thing which you should keep in your mind is that the difference should be 0 or the multiple of 11. So this is the technique by which you can find out the number is divisible by 11 or not.